Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, one more day has passed and today also a lot of progress has been made. So let me show you. The very first thing is it looks like flooring is done because flooring has been applied here too. Now this is the area of sump pump, so it is covered. On this particular tile there won't be any flooring as they have told me, because like this area they have left deliberately, because in future if there is an issue with sump pump they are gonna open it and repair, right? If they put the tile on it, then in order to repair the sump pump, that tile needs to be broken, so that makes sense. Looking inside, no change here. Okay, here they have they had already done this what do you call, I don't know what that is called, but washroom was done yesterday itself. Mirror has been applied too, so no issues with that. Now coming here, now kitchen, tell me how this kitchen looks like to you. Okay, so brand new appliances. This is brand new range hood, brand new range, electric range, and this is the refrigerator. Can I open it? Let me see if they have. Oh yeah, wow. How does it look, guys, from inside? Wow, that's huge, right? Huge space. There's gonna be the top, so they have got all the facilities. Yes, brand new GE appliances I have given, so probably whoever lives here, they're gonna feel good. Now see the countertops. Do you like the finishing? I like it. Now this area still needs to be worked upon, like sink. They are going to see, yeah, that's the sink. This sink is gonna come over here, and other things need to be installed here. Slight work is pending. Door here and some top over here. Same thing here. Now let me open and see. Of course there is nothing here. They're gonna fix this definitely. Okay, coming to the room, again they have left all the things inside, but that makes sense. Okay guys, so now they have also cleaned this area. Of course so what remaining work is, like, probably they're gonna do one more round of paint, then those locks they're gonna do at all the doors, and then that's it. I don't think more is remaining here. Of course they're gonna do some work upstairs, like electric line for dryer is gonna be drawn up, and from there some last remaining jobs need to be completed. So almost we are in there. Hopefully soon it will be done. Yeah, now here is gonna be the smoke alarm, you see, and that's gonna be electric smoke alarm, and there is a point for that inside also. Now see this range. Whoa, heavy. Okay, good one. This is excellent. So we'll have better situation. Right now there's no power turned on, so don't worry, nothing is gonna happen. So that's what the progress is, guys. So let me know what you feel about it, and thanks for watching.